The 2014 BMW Alpina XD3 Biturbo. The Audi SQ5 may not have a direct competitor from BMW, but Alpina has unveiled the XD3 Biturbo, a tuning kit that seems to be a direct response to Audi's model, at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. The XD3 is based on the 3-liter straight 6-cylinder version of the X3 and, with significant updates made under the hood, it adds plenty of extra horsepower to the engine's standard output. The engine is coupled to a new 8-speed automatic transmission, and numerous other updates have also been made to the SUV's chassis. Along with upgrading the engine's characteristics, Alpina engineers also built an aerodynamic kit that includes a new front spoiler with integrated air intakes. On the rear, Alpina adds new elliptical double-ended tailpipes integrated into an Alpina-designed rear valance. Hit the jump to read more about the Alpina XD3 Biturbo and find out if it really does offer any competition to the SQ5. Exterior. Alpina started by upgrading the X3's look. For this it installed a new aerodynamic kit that includes a new front spoiler with integrated functional air intakes for an optimum airflow to the coolers. On the rear, the tuner installed a new rear valance that is designed to allow the use of an optional tow bar. There is also a new exhaust system with Alpina's trademark elliptical double-ended tailpipes, which fit the new look perfectly. Interior. For the interior, the tuner offers a new sport steering wheel wrapped in Lavalina leather combined with blue-green stitching. Also included is a new instrument panel with black panel LCD technology that is used to display vital information, including a digital speed readout and gear indicator. The kit continues with new door sills, floor mats and emblems in the seatbacks. As an option, the interior can be trimmed in Alcantara with contrasting stitching. Standard features: * leather upholstery, * supportive sport seats, * xenon headlights, * cruise control, * park distance control. Drivetrain. The standard 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine received a series of upgrades, including optimized air intake flow, new air intake ducts with larger diameters, and modifications to the turbocharger and injection pressures. The result is a total output of 350 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The engine is coupled to an advanced Switchtronic 8-speed sport automatic transmission with 3 driving modes: automatic D, shift mode, sport S, shift mode and manual M, shift mode. With all these updates, the XD3 Biturbo will go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds and up to a top speed of 157 miles per hour. Suspension and brakes. Numerous upgrades have also been made to improve the car's comfort at high speeds. The suspension system receives electronically adjustable dampers plus a new dynamic stability control system that features 3 modes: Normal, Sport and Sport Plus. The XD3 comes with 20-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires measuring 255/40ths ZR20 101Y/LE/A, 71 decibels front and 285/35ths ZR20 104Y/LE/A, 73 decibels rear. Prices. Prices for the new Alpina XD3 will be announced at a later date. Competition. 2014 Audi SQ5 TFSI. The SQ5 is powered by 3.0-liter TFSI engine that delivers a total of 354 horsepower between 6,000 and 6,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 346 pound-feet between 4,000 and 4,500 revolutions per minute. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds and up to a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The SQ5 is probably the coolest Q5 offered by Audi, and we think it looks far better than the XD3. Conclusion. With all the updates it received, the new Alpina XD3 is a model that fits perfectly just above the standard X3. It looks pretty good, and with the improved output will help draw in a ton of customers. Love it, more powerful than standard X3, looks pretty good, lots of standard equipments. Leave it, no prices.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.